No, I'll be careful.
Look at the cameras. Get up, the 450 is mine.
Yeah, yeah. Bruh. That shit's sick. Yeah! Bruh, that's so crazy. He's like almost scraping his back, dog. Let's go. I don't even know how he turns on that thing. Oh my god, right next to the YZ, dog. Yo, he's in the freaking wet. Oh my. Bro, that was gnarly. Woo, bro, those are so scary, dude. Like, just look how that thing revs. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my god. Let's go. That thing, bro, just seeing that thing wheelie is like scary. Just like how it looks so sensitive, like. Oh! Yo, they really having a heated battle now. I just heard them talking smack. Yo, I love these little battles, bro, on these 70s. Yeah, this is so funny. He said if you post that, or if you don't post it, I'm unsubscribing. No, I got you, bro. I got you, 450 Kenny. Chill with those threats. We know you're the freaking GOAT on these little 70s. I thought that was a Copo, bro.
What up, bro?
I thought you hurt your arm.
It's good.
That was like a week ago. You crazy. He was lying, bro. He was riding doubles because he enjoys it, dude. He said he hurt his arm. He was fronting, dog. I'm gonna put in the clip right now. Yo, I told you, he loves doubles, bro. I told you, he loves this thing. Yeah, that just... Yeah. I'm guessing... Oh, new... You got a new tire?
Yeah, brand new.
Damn. Let's go. You already know we got the boy Tater out here. Killing that 50. Tater wasn't a fan of that burnout. I don't think, from his expressions. I'm just commentating on everything. Woo! Yes, sir! Bro, using the other hand. That's gangster. When are you gonna let me try that quad, bro?
Never. He wants to try the best machine in the world.
Bro, I talk so good about it. I'm like, it's the best three-wheeler in the world, the cleanest.
Listen, I'll let him get one little taste of it. And after that, he's gonna be like, oh, I need to get one.
Bro, probably, bro. Oh boy, we're about to ride the classic Unks three-wheeler, bro. It's sturdy? Is that your product or no?
No,
He's just advertising it.
how the f do you know if that's the nigga key?
That's sick though. He got a secret key. I'm not gonna let you know where it is. Oh my god, bro. No, I'm not, bro. No, I'll be careful.
Look at the camera. You it up, the 450 is mine.
Yeah, yeah, facts. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. I'm on a three-wheeler, dude. I forgot how to hold the clutch in. What's going on?
I don't even know.
The gas is off?
Pick it up a little bit and then just
Just let it idle for a second once you start it.
Hey, which way you kick it? Kick it forward?
It's hard.
Oh, sh. Bro, this is the scariest bike ever. Holy crap, bro. Alright, I'm not made for the three-wheeler life at all, dude. I got it. I'm so focused right now.
Way more comfortable, try to sit it out.
Come on. This should be banging the next year, so drop back.
I know, I don't want to f it up. Yeah, but I mean, bro, he's used to that shit. So, slow-mo with it, bro. And he hits a hand drag. Woo. No clue what he said. Yeah, he's so funny, bro. I love this shit. Hey, bro, out the roof. Yo, what? Yo! Look at that, bro. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yo, you're the GOAT, dog, I swear. So good. Would you let me try it out? Yeah? Thank you, bro. We got the small wheel 150 right here. 2022? Damn, this shit nice. Oh my god, dude. Yo, this is a 2022 150 I'm on, and it, like, just listen to how it sounds. That 22 150 is smooth, bro. Holy crap. Yo, this is the LT80 life right here, brother. Yeah, say something. Hello. You gotta say subscribe. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's see that 150 smoke. Ooh, okay. I remember seeing him at like the old plant lot, bro. This was like 6 months ago. And I feel like he could barely wheelie. I met you at the Plant City lot, right? Yeah. How long ago was that? Like 6 months ago?
I think so. That was when I had a CR85.
You're killing it, bro. Good. 450 Kenny. But today he's on a 80. LT80. But yes, sir. They be going on all these freaking mini rides, bro. I need to join on one. I haven't been on one in a while. That clean 450, bro. 2020. Actually, that's a 2022, bro. Mine's a 2020. It's getting busy. Alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, we have merch in the description down below. Yo, this lot is freaking badass. Remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. Until next time. Peace.